In this video, we are going to see how we can pose in our profile picture on the Roblox mobile application. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. All you have to do is just click on your avatar right here at the bottom in the middle. So once you click on that, on the top, we can see this customize option. We will click on that. And from here, under all of these options, we will head over to the emotes. So if you, let's say, is on avatar, you need to swipe towards right and you choose this emotes option. Let me just highlight that as well. So this is emote option, and here we can see and switch to any pose we want. We have a lot of them. You even have the option to buy some of the pose as well if you want a specific pose. You can also customize this avatar as well. You head over to the settings, and from here you can change the body shape, or you can zoom in and zoom out. You can adjust the head and so on. So all of these options are available as well. So once we are happy with our pose, we will go back and let's check it once if it is saved or not. So as we can see, our pose is now saved. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.